To assembling the Skywalker trampoline, but my emphasis today is on the safety net. I have not did a video on the safety net or a safety net. But this safety net was really very easy to assemble, and it's a matter of having your trampoline, your main body of it, as far as the poles go. Make sure that they're lined up, but the safety net is already attached to the trampoline. Just make sure you got your poles positioned where the safety net poles are lined up. Otherwise, you're going to have a big mess. Once you get it assembled, if your poles are misaligned, the safety net's the poles are not going to be dressed by dress. For this video, I'm showing how this safety net came together. It's a very wonderful setup. I like it, and it was pretty straightforward. So that was really to assembling the safety net on the Skywalker trampoline. This trampoline had the basic setup. The bottom portion with the two side posts here, and the top curved portion. But on this particular trampoline, this Skywalker trampoline, there was a welded piece on each of the side posts where the safety net will slide. The safety net pole will slide into that. That's the only difference. Other than that, you have your basic feet down here, the two poles on the side, and just slide into the curved top piece on top of that. Our safety net poles here, two of them. One that has the square edge on the bottom, slides inside here. Okay. When you get your sheet on first, it may go on easy, it may not. Went on pretty easy. This has a flat bottom on this post, slides right over this one. The top has a flat edge also, just want to match it up. The screw hole there. Like that. Get your screw in there. Sheet one here, sleeve right here. Trying to get the sleeve to go down in here. Maybe need some oil or something on here to make it easier. And it's like it's going to turn, that's what's going to hold your screen on. Oh, yeah. Get back out. It's going to be facing backwards. Your screen is going to go there. This through the screen. That's what's going to lock it in place. have a small insert that goes at the bottom, just to cover up the sharp edges on the bottom of the pole here. On the back, all you're doing is tying these in a bow, I guess. There's no Velcro, you know? I'll make it out of it. Break it up. And make sure you got all your nuts. Make sure you got all your screws in the place, cause this thing will actually bounce off the legs. I've seen them bounce off the legs when they're kids bouncing on the legs lift off the ground. But make sure your screws are all in place. Double check, make sure all the screws are where they're supposed to be, and you should be good to go. Have fun, be safe. Diversity 2. Thanks for watching. Diversity 2, finishing up the Skywalker trampoline with the safety net. Thanks for watching.